Stand on tiptoe more often. You won't get old. Don't run or jump 100 times a day. Don't hurt your knees and sweat slightly. Strong legs, strong health. If you want to be fit, you need to improve your leg strength. Two movements to regulate the spleen and stomach. Applying the ancient methods of Yi Jin Jing, these two movements are particularly suitable for middle-aged and elderly friends to help regulate the spleen and stomach. Taoist rejuvenation step. Just this one action, the leg strength, balance, endurance are exercised too. Pay attention to the toes, do not flare. Hook the toes, calf strength. Exercise for 10 minutes every day.